anywhere in the country. We have a retired chief design engineer, Gotfredson. We have Jim Wagner, who's written several books for Ford Motor Company about Lincolns and about trucks. We have Mr. Bill Tilden, a former Studebaker design engineer. We have Randy Mason, who was the curator of transportation at Henry Ford Museum in Phoenix.
By the following July, more than 4,000 Hudsons had been sold.
We had a guy at a court try that, he had a forward gear. And you got a manual shift.
Well, that's a time code. I didn't know that. Joe goes to the show.
Did Lori give you the...
Put your roof in.
Commonplace? Well, I don't know if it's commonplace, but it certainly is a dream. Look at him. Eventually turned their whole operation over to trucks, eventually being taken over by White and merging with Diamond T and finally Diamond Rio and the last Royale. Very solid pricing.
Okay, we got a 1936 Rio, and this is a flying cloud. This is the Orphan Car Show.
There was no Rio like 36, 1937 Ram.
Remember my old 600.
Rio didn't have all the models, but the Graham had a Misc had in 1936-37. The Rio was flying.
They have airplanes doing acrobatics above the car show.
It's different.
It's better to have all these guys' golf door open, his golf bags hanging out the other side.
I like to know when it's on, you know?
Right. I like the golf clubs.
I chose golf clubs.
And what are you talking about? Golf clubs?
Yeah, the golf club door on the car. See them?
Okay. That'll be on the highway to hang out, right?
He's just going to have to show people what it means.
Two DeVos, no waiting.
Yeah, okay.
Well, you've seen Grant and unions of grants at that building.